Right now we're in the pioneering stages of quantum computing, so you hear about it tonight, but when it comes to it being mainstream and available and accessible to everyone, it's not. And so encryption that we're using currently is certain versions of it are susceptible. But that's the security piece. The business side of the piece, obviously, with that computational power, you can do much more analysis and crunching of numbers to determine potential of what an outcome can be produced for when it comes to high frequency trading and other areas, portfolio management and such. But the key thing to understand is we're in the infancy of quantum computing. We have a long way to go before it becomes mainstream, and it could be a great thing or it could be a disaster. And so we're preparing for both